Hey, what's up everybody? It is DJ Jerry here with Shop Time, and Mobile Beat 2016 is right around the corner. If you do not have your tickets, you better get them now because the show is going to be amazing. Now, myself along with Chauvet DJ, we're putting on an amazing light show for you guys at Mobile Beat. So I'm going to walk you through some of the fixtures that we're going to be highlighting and using at the show. Some of the ones that we are going to use that I don't currently have here in the office is the Chauvet DJ Intimidator 355. Basically, it's the 355Z without the zooming feature, so a little more cost effective if you're still looking for that bright moving head and a very powerful moving head. We are going to be using a lot of really great fixtures. Doing some pixel mapping this year, so that's exciting. I've never had the opportunity to really do anything with pixel mapping, so we're going to really raise the bar in what I get to do. The first thing I want to show you is how am I going to put all this together. Well, first of all, we're going to be using 4 different universes this year. We're using a total of 4 universes, so way over more than what we've used in the past. And again, just going to create an amazing light show for all of you at the conference. So we're using the Show Express, love the program. The Show Express Plus, again, is a great interface to go from Show Express to all of your DMX channels and universes. The first thing I want to show fixture-wise is this is the Colorband PixM. Now what we're doing is we actually pixel map this fixture. It's going to be standing in front of the DJ booth, and it's going to give us some wide movements back and forth, and also with the pixel mapping, we're going to be able to create images and color flows using pixels within the program. So the Colorband PixM is a great fixture we're going to be using for a DJ Facade. We're using multiple fixtures on that. Around the walls, we're going to be using Freedom Hex, the Freedom Power Hex, and then also we're going to be using the SlimBeam Quad IRC. So we're going to do some really cool things all the way around the room this year, which we didn't get a chance to do last year. One of the other things we're going to be using is we're actually going to be controlling all of the crowd lighting. All the ambient lighting is actually going to be the lighting for the entire room. We're going to be doing that with the WashFX. We have about, I think we have about 8 of these pixel mapped along with our Colorband PixM. So you're going to see a lot of movements where the WashFX and the Colorband PixM are actually going to be working together in the pixel mapping. So again, this is going to create some blinder effects. It's going to create some really cool movements, and also again, it's going to create the overall room light as guests are walking in, and also some effects. Now on the back totems, we have some totems this year that we're going to be using. We are actually going to be using inside the totems. We're going to be using the brand new Freedom stick, and this is an RGB fixture. We have a total of about 36 of these in the production, and how we're going to use them is going to be one of our surprises. Just a really cool way to utilize this type of fixture and some of the chases and some of the things that we've created. Also on the totems, we have this is the Shocker Panel 180. It's a USB fixture, so you can actually run DeFi. If you're running wireless signal with your Chauvet products, you can actually use the USB in this. With all the lighting that we're going to be using in the production, we're going to hardwire it just to be safe, because it's going to be, again, we're front of house, which is in the far back of the room, and we're going to be sending signal all the way up to the front. So these are going to be on the different totems. We've got about 8 of these in the production. With the Freedom sticks, again, we want to send wireless transmission, so we're going to be using the Chauvet DJ FlareCon to send that transmission out. And on top of those totems, and on the sides of these totems, we're going to be putting some moving heads. Now on the side of the totem, we're actually going to be mounting these on the front. We're going to be creating some really cool movements. Now this trio is a 3-in-1, so it gives us a nice wash, it gives us a nice beam, it also gives us a really cool moonflower effect, so we can really create some awesome ambiances using the trios. We're going to be using these also in stage production for presenters and creating some movements, not just in the creating the ambiance, but creating the overall stage lighting that we need. So the trios are going to be an amazing fixture for us this year as well. And one of my favorites, which you will get to see these babies in action. This is the Intimidator 455Z. It is a double gobo wheel, full color. I believe there's 8 colors in the color wheel, or 7 colors in the color wheel plus white. And then also it has the zooming features and just a super bright LED. So we're gonna do some really cool things with this in the production as well. So again, if you do not have your tickets for Mobile Beat 2016, make sure you get them. We have a total of 136 fixtures that we're gonna blow you away with at the conference. So make sure you check it out. Go to mobilebeatlasvegas.com to get your tickets, and hopefully we'll see you at Mobile Beat. Again, this is Jeremy with DJ Jer Shop Time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.